Ava's eating her banana and watching Daddy on his laptop. Really, Ava? You gonna cram the whole thing in your mouth? You shouldn't do that. And Dada is on his laptop. Hey, baby girl. I think it's so cute watching Ava eat her bananas.
She's about to have a fit. She ran a banana, baby.
You want more banana? You want banana? Okay, I'll give you more banana. Here you go. Mommy's watching you eat a banana. Ava, don't put the whole thing in your mouth. Gosh. I think she chews it and keeps adding more as she chews.
You doggy.
Can you say hey to the camera? Say hey. You want more banana?
Hey, doggy. Yeah. Good girl. Doggy. Doggy.
What does the doggy say? No, that's the bear. What does the doggy say? No. It says, arf, arf.
That's a doggy. Says,
There you go.